Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Bethia's e-learning class of English Standard 5. So today we are going to do a poem called The Roadside Locksmith by Chitra Padmabhan. First we will read the poem, and for this you have to see a video.
Sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. A mountain of master keys heaped on the ground, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that can't be opened because the key's not there. And if you have a key that is lonely and lost, don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He'll find a friendly lock to complete the pair.
Now we will know about the author Chitra. She has been a journalist for 25 years and has worked with many major Indian newspapers. She has also written extensively for children and is now associated with Pitra Kids Network. Now, this poem is all about a roadside locksmith who is sitting with his wires all spread out. He has a mountain of keys piled around him, and for everyone with a lost key or a lonely lock, the locksmith has the solution. So this is the short summary of this poem. Now we will see all the stanza one by one and know its meaning. Now children, tell me, what do you know about the roadside locksmiths? So the roadside locksmith, the locksmith means a person who makes, fits and repair locks. Now we will see the first stanza. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. So, first we will know the word meaning. Now I will read the stanza. The locksmith sits on the roadside with his wires. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun's glare. Now we will know the new words. Locksmith means a person who makes, fits and repairs locks. He also supplies keys. Wares means things that someone is selling, especially in the street or at a market. Tilted means bent in a sloping position. Glare means strong and dazzling light, blaze. Now, the explanation of this poem is that the poetess wanted to say that a roadside locksmith sits with his wires all spread out by the side of the street. A tilted black umbrella shades him from the heat of the sun. Now children, I will ask one question. Why does the locksmith sit by the roadside? Answer: because he is too poor to own or rent a shop. That's why the locksmith sits by the roadside. Now the next stanza is: a mountain of master keys heaped on the ground, some dull, some old, some rusty, some gold. So here you can see in the picture the new words. Master key means a key that can be used to open a number of different locks. Heaped means a pile of things arranged in a rather untidy way. Dull means pale and faded. Now it's time for the explanation. The poetess want to say that he has a mountain of key piled around him. The locksmith has a mountains of key piled around him. He has a pile of keys in various sizes and color. Some keys are dull and old, while some are rusty and golden. Now, children, how can we make out the time of the day? It could be around midday because he has his umbrella open and standing beside him to keep off the glare. Now I will read the next stanza. The locksmith has the answer to every locked door that can be opened because the key is not there. So, the explanation of this paragraph is that the poetess want to say that the locksmith has all the necessary tools that he uses to make the new keys or resize old keys for new locks. So we need not worry, for the locksmith has a solution for anyone with a lost key or a lonely lock. So children want to ask what is he selling, and why do we not have to worry if we lose a lock or key? So the answer will be, if we have lost a key to a door, he may have one that fits our lock, and if we have lost a lock, he may have one that fits our key. Now I will read the next stanza. And if you have a key that is lonely and lost, don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. He will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. So first we will know the words. Fret means to be worried or unhappy. Despair means feeling of hopelessness. So it's now time for the explanation. So the poetess want to say that we need not to worry, for the locksmith has a solution for everyone with a lost key or a lonely lock. So if you have a key and lost a lock, or a lock that has no key, don't fret, don't afraid or lose hope, as locksmith will find a friendly lock to complete the pair, for he knows what to do and he does it well. So children, I want to ask that how is a locksmith an important person? Of course, locksmith is an important person because he helps us out when we are locked out of our houses or room. Now it's time for your homework. What you have to do, you have to write down the word meaning in your English copy. I hope you understood this poem, and the next video will be of question answer of this poem. Thank you.